There's my bolt right there. All I've been doing, well, I just came back out here because, well, I let the pain settle down just a bit, but I feel it again. But all I've been doing is using this drill bit. It's a 532, but I've been putting it up there and twisting it down. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. And let's get this light right up on there. I love it when it comes nice and easy. Well, I watched a couple more videos, but the one that was up there showed someone using picks. So I went and watched it, and it was for a Mercedes diesel, but it could be for any application of a starter. As long as it's not rusted, you should be all good. Come on, almost there. It's a little difficult with using a drill bit, but I'm managing. Let's see if I can use just a flathead, like a small one, a small tiny one. Nope. So I'm just going to keep working with this drill bit. Almost. 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 Oi. Come on. I wonder if I can get my finger around that. No. Well, maybe I'll take that drill back since I won't need it. But I think I'm going to keep it because, well, I could use it around on other applications. Look at that. No power tools. I just used a drill bit. I got it. Finally. Now, let's put my new ones in. My new bolts. Oh, I should have grabbed them when I was out there. Oh, I gotta. Oh. How many of you still all crawl under your vehicle and do work without any proper stuff? Proper tools. I don't got the resources. But the guy did say I could probably get away with just not having that washer on and just use the lock. But I'm just going to keep them both on. So now I need a bit for that. So I'll be right back. Okay. Well, I don't know. They're tight, so they're really not properly seated in there. I think it should just normally just seat right up, like wherever the bolts go, that should be where it is. I think. If anybody else has any ways, or, you know, this is my second time doing one of these, but not a snap bolt. I don't think it was my first. Which, first one for my first snap bolt, it was pretty easy, and I was lucky. I don't know how tight you should have them. I think snug, right? Well, just because they are tight, those are lock washers. So, all right, here's the moment of the truth. what else is going on here. I don't know. Can't see being my starter. I don't know. My starter relay. Take it out for a minute, I guess. Test it that way. But I'm not 100% what's going on right now. It was running fine. Except for that starter problem, probably. Alright, I am not a certified mechanic in whatsoever, but I know how to do things with a tool. With the resources and the right tools, you can probably do anything. But for me, I gotta just do what I have to do to keep this running, I guess. And I did my starter. So I'm going to let you guys hear if there's any mechanics or anybody that will be able to guide me to the right spot maybe, or do I need a new starter? So here, I'm going to let you guys listen to this. Where should I put it? Alrighty, well, I got that starter in. I gave you guys a little bit of a sound here to tell maybe if any of you had this situation or problem. Maybe it could be minor, maybe it could be big. Hopefully it's small and minor. And well, if it's my starter, if I have to replace my starter, well, then it looks like I gotta go to Lorco and pick that up tonight. Yay. Alrighty, thumb this up because I got my starter bolt out. New bolts in, starter back up in there. Now it just won't turn over, so I gotta look in why that is doing that. So I'm done here for now.